Early May flooding damaged many things in Genesee County, including precious mementos belonging to one World War II veteran. But some items once thought to be destroyed have now been restored. ABC 12's Don Jones introduces us to our persons of the week.
In mid-May, Elman Kopka and his wife returned home from Florida to find several feet of water in their basement. Most of their belongings were soaked. Among the ruins, Kopka's World War II uniform and all of his medals.
Pretty heartbroken to see it hanging there with all the mold on it and stuff.
When officials came to help Kopka assess the damage, the proud soldier was saying goodbye to precious mementos of his service to his country. The medals included a Purple Heart earned in the Battle of the Bulge. Clayton Township Police Chief Mike Powers remembers that day.
Took out a garbage bag, and the bag had his uniforms. From World War II.
Chief Powers felt compelled to restore honor to what the water had destroyed. He had Kopka's uniform and all of his medals cleaned and restored.
He's such a kind gentleman, and to know what he went through, this is just a token.
Then the chief pulled a surprise Thursday night.
Well, yours, sir.
Thank you very much.
You bet. You bet.
Appreciate it.
No problem, buddy.
I thought we were coming here to talk about FEMA and getting some money. I didn't know, I wasn't expecting this.
Although he's outgrown his uniform, he'll never outgrow his commitment to his country.
I want to see this country stay free, and if I had to go back to service tomorrow, I would go.
We salute Elman Kopka and everyone who made this possible as our ABC 12 Persons of the Week.
One nation, under God, indivisible.
And we thank him for his service, too. That's great.
Absolutely.